So now, as a lot of you have been hearing me say, the body contains 102 plus minerals. And a lot of people ask us, how do we get all 102 plus of these minerals in one bag, in one little capsule? I'll share it with you. Come along. So we start with the Honduran sea moss, which is the most therapeutic sea moss on the planet. It is one of the only sea mosses that has all 92 of the specific minerals that sea moss is supposed to have. Not a lot of people know this. Not a lot of people know exactly where their sea moss is coming from. Honduran sea moss has no salt on it, and it doesn't create a lot of mucilage when you blend it. That is how you can tell the difference. It has no salt. It's the same sea moss that we use. So how we get the additional 10 plus minerals is by adding other herbs along with the 92 minerals that sea moss provides. Sea moss doesn't contain iron, so we go to plants like the burdock, plants like the sarsaparilla, plants like the dandelion root. So you can see combining the herbs that we use in this compound easily creates all 102 plus minerals. So this is how we get all 102 plus minerals in one bag, in one capsule. So try Mineral General today and feed your cells with the minerals that they need to thrive.